If you're thinking about your bone health or gut health, this simple Japanese meal may surprise you. Hello everyone. Today Yoshiko is preparing a simple traditional Japanese meal that's incredibly good for you.
Yes.
Incredibly good for your health. We're starting with
Miso soup.
miso soup. Okay. Yeah,
So hello everyone, and we are right into cooking now.
okay.
Yes, I'm going to use dried shiitake, which is soaking now, and dried daikon.
Right. Well,
And,
just use it.
I think it's I've done enough for soaking, so take it out. And for water for miso soup, about 6 milliliter water. So that's include soaking water. So about 600. Plus 100. Okay, then cut it. Put dashi, about 1 teaspoon of dashi stock. And then cut it.
So we're starting with dried shiitake mushrooms.
Yes, that's right. Dried daikon, I just wash quickly
Yeah.
and then chop up.
So this kind of food has been eaten in Japan for generations, and there's a good reason why.
Cut roughly.
So the shiitake mushrooms are known for supporting the immune system, and dried daikon is full of fiber.
That's right.
Yeah.
And I adding age, lightly fried,
One slice, is it?
with 1 slice. And then switch off, switch light on.
So you just lightly simmer everything.
That's right, about 10 minutes or so. And then in this soup, I put miso, 2 tablespoons of miso paste.
I see.
Okay. Just wait until it's cooked. So when it's boiled, leave it 5 or 6 minutes to simmer. Then put the miso paste. And daikon, adding dried daikon, adding umami and a little bit sweetness.
I see.
So gives good flavor. While wait for the miso soup, just make a easy, lightly pickled.
Pickled cabbage.
Pickled cabbage, yeah.
That's nice.
It's easy. Just a little side dish. It's boiled now, so just turn it down. 5 or 6 minutes. It's a little bit salt adding and squeeze. I leave it to softer. Do you see?
Okay, I think so.
Miso paste. Yeah, switch off first.
Okay.
And mix with miso paste. And then leave it now when we eat, just warm up.
Okay.
All right. Then I adding this shio kombu, just give a flavor of salt a little bit. And kombu is good for you anyway. Instead of adding extra salt. My favorite oil and vinegar. Just dash of sesame oil
Yes.
to give the aroma,
Yes.
nice aroma. And 2 tablespoons of here. So vinegar.
2 tablespoons.
1, 2. Very simple, isn't it? Daikon now. So cut. Okay. I like grated daikon. Oh, remember the other day I went to park nearby, and it was a blue flower. It was so beautiful. We took a little bit shot of the flower. Everyone, it was so nice. Okay. So we did the shirasu feature a bit more in the previous videos, so plenty of.
So there's various kinds of baby
Yeah.
sardine according to how it's prepared.
It's prepared, that's right.
So in the other video, we went into a bit more detail, but it's certainly good.
That's right. I'm going to serve miso soup now.
Okay.
Okay. freshly cooked rice is best, isn't it? Today, a white rice plus mugi. Mugi is barley.
Well, Yoshiko, you've produced a wonderful meal again.
Fast.
Okay, itadakimasu. Okay, so could you tell us what this is in this food then?
Yeah, I made white rice and with mugi, with barley.
Yeah.
It's got lots of fiber.
All right.
And the miso soup in this dried shiitake and dried daikon.
So
and
they're both rich in fiber, aren't they?
That's right, and also gives nice flavor plus umami, plenty of umami.
And
this is instant pickles with cabbage and a little bit kombu.
Well, that's got fiber too, hasn't it?
Exactly.
This is a fiber-up meal. So this is my favourite. This is shirasu. And the thing with it, it's got so much calcium,
It's good for building bones.
That's right.
Yeah. Anyway, the other day,
Yeah.
an old lady came up to me. I was walking, and she came up to me saying, "If you don't mind saying so," and she said, "Your shoelace undone." So she said, because I'm concerned, some when you get older, if you walk without realizing, you might trip.
Yes.
So we don't want to fall. So anyway, she was very kind.
That was nice of her.
Yeah, that was nice. Yeah.
Okay, well.
Okay, let's try to eat.
Yeah, let's try to eat and be no problem eating. It looks good.
Shirasu.
So you have the white rice sometimes it's a bit lighter.
That's right, variety.
But you usually put barley in for the fibre.
Yeah, adding the fiber.
Well, it tastes nice.
And cabbage, instant pickles, you can add to rice too. Nice with vinegar.
Not too salty.
No.
Just right.
What do you think of miso soup?
It's really, really tasty actually. Is that the umami flavour coming through?
Yes. From shiitake plus, dried daikon.
Well, there you are, everyone. We've got another beautiful meal, and the thing is that this is the kind of simple food that helped Japanese people stay healthy for so long.
Right. Yeah.
So that's great.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everyone. See you next week.
See you next week.
Okay, doke.
Bye for now.
Bye.